Happy Q&A Tuesday, everyone. I had a question that was asked of me, which is in regards to how do I maintain my weight because I'm so thin. So that is today's question, and I wanted to turn the camera on, do a quick video on it. You saw me discuss this in a previous video, the Ninja blender. This is the Auto IQ Pro, and I'm going to show, which this question was asked quite a bit, probably because I am so thin, it's hereditarily thin. It's a little hard to keep weight on sometimes. So I'm going to show you exactly what I do in order to help stay healthy and maintain some type of weight. So this is the blender. This is the cup that comes with the blender. This is the blade, goes on the top of it. And I'm going to show you, let me move you back a little bit so that you can see better. Okay, this is what I do. I also use this, not usually the whey part. I usually will get, I'm hoping that you can see that, a gain weight protein. Obviously they were all out and they only have it in the whey protein supplements, so that is what I've been using, and it's fine, you know. I'm just not a fan of the whey part, but anyway, back to how do I maintain my weight. So I use this, like 1 scoop for this size right here. So I'm going to show you how I make this. Now you can switch it up. You can use ice cream. You can use yogurt. Whatever it is that you like, just in case, you know, you may have the same problem that I do. I take a pretty decent scoop of ice cream, like 1 or 2. I prefer vanilla. I just used the vanilla chocolate. If you didn't have ice cream, like I said, you could use yogurt. I've done that before, but I'm all out. So I put the ice cream in there. And then I buy these bags of berries, except right now it's in a Ziploc baggie, but it's cherry, blueberry, and strawberry from Aldi's, and I love them. So my hands are just washed. I just did them. And I take about 2, 3, it all depends. Give it a little shake, bang it down. I will go in with another little scoop of ice cream. That one wants to come out. There we go. And then all I do now, usually I'll put a couple extra berries. For some reason this is looking pretty full this time, but I usually do 2 scoops berries, 2 scoops berries. So I'm going to add a few more berries in there on the top, because it probably will sink down. And then I take a scoop. Let me grab the scooper. Of the protein, and I put it right in with the berries, the ice cream. Like I said, this one looks pretty full. I don't know why this time around, but then you can use whatever milk you want. I'm using whole milk, and I just will start filling it up till it gets close to a certain line, because I don't want it to overflow. And then it looks like that. I'm going to take a spoon and just push it down a little bit, because like I said, for some reason it looks a little fuller this time. But this is what I do to make, which I told you it looked a little full. That's okay. No big deal. Just leaked a little tiny bit. I'll just quickly wipe that up. So yeah, pretty simple. Like I said, I use my Ninja blender, which is extremely loud, very, very powerful. And you can use any types of berries that you want. You can use yogurt if you like. Any type of flavored ice cream that you like. And yeah, let me make sure I dry this off. Maybe my first scoop of ice cream was a little big this time, because normally it never overflows. Okay, and then we're just going to put it on the Ninja, and we're going to swirl it till it gets to 20. So in case you didn't hear me, I usually put it on until it gets to 20. May have to look at this because it may need some more milk. At least it sounded like it did. Let's take a look. Then again, maybe not. Depends on how thick you want it. That looks like a pretty good consistency to me. So yeah, super quick video. That is how I make my protein shakes. It's how I maintain my weight, my health, and I do use my Ninja blender. I always look down in to make sure nothing leaks in there and just quickly wipe it out. And you can use, I did the review on the Ninja blender. I explained that it comes with this cup with snap lid. You can use that, just dump the protein, or you can drink it right out of this with a straw. The berries, like I said, are in a Ziploc baggie right now, but I usually buy the bags from Aldi's that are cherry, strawberries, and blueberry mix. I really like that one, and it's very reasonably costed. And I think that I got this protein, I have to think a second. I originally got it for my son. And I think that I got this either Target or Walmart, one or the other. They just didn't have the one without the whey. It's just something to get used to. It just, the taste makes the taste a little different. But I can't do any type of gain weight or protein if it's not in vanilla. It's just me. I don't really care for it. So let's take the lid off. Stick a spoon in here. There is what it looks like. Super easy to do. I'm just going to check the consistency. Make sure that it's blended well. Which normally I never have to do that, but for some reason this time it seemed extremely full. Let me give it a quick little taste before I go putting the blade into the sink. Delish. And then usually what I do is I just dump it right into my big cup. And I will have one of these in the morning. I was having one in the afternoon, but then it was affecting my appetite for dinner. So I try to have one in the morning, because they will make you full. One in the morning, and then I'll have one when I go upstairs to go watch TV to go to bed. I will sip on one. Sorry about the little racket. I'm just trying to get it all out of the cup, because it is good to the last drop. I don't waste any. But as I was saying, I will try to do one every night or every other night. I always keep ice cream on stock and the berries so that There we go. So this is on hand for whenever I feel like I need it. So it almost filled the big cup. This is the one I did the review on that is, let me think real quickly. This is the 32 ounce one that I did the review on with the Ninja coffee bar and the blender. If you haven't seen that video, please go back and take a look. But really, it's that simple. The question was, what do I do to maintain my weight? And I try not to have one of these in the middle of the afternoon because then it will ruin my appetite. But if I'm not eating a lot or I'm losing my appetite due to stress or anxiety, I will just go and, make a protein shake. You can also put a straw right in the top of here because it has a hole for you. And I drink 1 or 2 of these a day. So that was the question for this week's Tuesday's Q&A. Q&A Tuesday. That was the question. I answered it. Plus, I thought I would show you how I make it, even though some of it spelled out a little bit. That's okay. Things happen. And yeah, that's simple. So thank you guys for being pretty receptive to the Q&A Tuesdays. And if you have any other types of questions that you would like to ask, and if it's worthy enough, I will do a video and it will go up on Tuesday. So that is what I have for you today. How do I maintain my weight? And that is by protein smoothies, I guess that's how you can call it, with berries, vanilla ice cream, and milk. That's how I make mine. And I will have one in the morning and usually one at night. So there you go, everyone. I hope I answered that question, well enough. Thank you to the new subscribers. Please smash the like button. Please make sure your notification bell is on so you get notified when I post videos. Smash the like button. And don't forget, the berries are from Aldi's. That's the blend that I use. And I think I covered everything. So any other further questions or comments, please leave them down below. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you on the next Q&A Tuesday. Okay, God bless.